Hare Krishna, this is Mrinal Ghia for ISKCON in the service of Srila Prabhupada and Guru Maharaj. And the topic is, why are we suffering in this material world? Very interesting topic. And I could say, the whole Hare Krishna movement is based on that, to help us to come out of this world which is full of suffering. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that this world is full of suffering. And Srila Prabhupada says Hare Krishna movement is the only movement which can actually free you from all sufferings. Now let's go through what is this suffering. This material world actually is a virtual reality of reality of who we are. We actually identify with our body which we inhabit. And whatever suffering is coming to this body, actually we are relating with that. Actually the suffering is not coming to us, it is coming to the body. It is very important to understand this concept. And Krishna gives us suffering because he wants us to come out of this material world and go back home, back to Godhead, which is the original place for all these souls. This is not our world, this is not our place to live. And that's the reason all that suffering comes. And in our pursuit, to get happiness in the world, Vedas have explained very nicely how this suffering comes. It comes in three categories. First is miseries that comes because of our own body. Now this is wonderful. The miseries comes from our own body. There are 4 problems of life: birth, death, old age and disease. Now someone will say how these are the 4 problems of life, but the Vedic philosophy address this is 4 problems of life, and we can get out of it by actually worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, he can only help us to get out of the miseries of the material world, and no other endeavors can actually help us. We have happiness, but those are fleeting happiness. It comes and it goes. And we are suffering because of our own body. Is also we are sometimes distressed, and sometimes we are in depression because of various reasons we come across in this life. And the second one is miseries that comes because of other living beings. Now human beings, they inflict unbearable pains on each other, and wounds come from our family, friends also, and it comes in such a way that we cannot bear it, the pain that gives us. We feel so connected with them, and sometimes when pain comes, it becomes unbearable for us. Also it comes from other living beings, the mosquito bite, and also the howling of the dogs. So there are various ways that pain comes from the other living entities. And the third one is miseries that come from natural calamities, which is earthquake and hurricane and various other disasters that comes to the world, and it becomes unbearable to actually that is unbearable, the pain that comes. So we can actually get rid of all these problems. How? When we actually connect with Krishna. Right now we have forgotten our relationship with Krishna, that we are the eternal part and parcel of Krishna. And when we revive this lost consciousness, we actually attain the unlimited happiness. We all strive for happiness, but we don't know where to look for. And Krishna consciousness actually teaches us where to look for happiness. Krishna is the source of all happiness, and we have to approach the supreme lovable object and realize that the transcendental love. And it is so easy, you can practice this Krishna consciousness anywhere, anytime in the world. There is no hard and fast rule. You don't even have to change your religion. You just have to situate in a way what you are, and you just have to chant the holy names of the Lord, which actually very easily connect you to Krishna and can elevate all your pains and sufferings very easily. And Srila Prabhupada says like Krishna consciousness is the best way, like we can actually get away from the suffering. So make your life happy. That is also not temporary but eternally, and go back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.